welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the PeachFolio token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything that you need to do in order to purchase this token. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on this channel, showing you guys things like how to buy, how to sell, and lots more to do with crypto. So if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel, as I have lots of content coming out into the future. Anyways, let's get started here. First thing that we need to do is head over to our Trust Wallet. Now, if you guys don't know how to create a Trust Wallet and you don't know how to transfer BNB into your Trust Wallets, I will have separate tutorials for those if you don't know how to do that. But since the majority of people do know how to do that, I don't want to throw that in every single video that I do. So if you guys do need either of those two things, you can go ahead and in the description, I'll have a link there for both of those tutorials if that is needed. Anyways, once you guys have your BNB in your Smart Chain wallet on your Trust Wallet, all you guys will have to do is go to the link I have in the description over to CoinMarketCap, where we're going to get the contract address for PeachFolio and then paste it into our Trust Wallets. So I'll have a link in the description for that, like I said. So you can just go over to that link and then you'll be onto the CoinMarketCap website here. All you have to do is scroll down and click on the little copy button beside the little MetaMask logo. Once you guys click on copy, you can go back into your Trust Wallet. So let's head back over there now. And what you guys have to do is go to the top right of your screens where you see the 2 lines and 2 circles and just click on that. Once you click on that, you just want to go to the top search and click on paste there. So you can paste that contract address in. And then you want to click on add custom token. Once you do that, you'll see the network is on Ethereum default. So you can go ahead and switch that over to Smart Chain. Once that is done, you can click on paste for the contract address again, and then it will load in automatically the name, symbol, and decimals. Once you guys have that there, you can go ahead and click on save in the top right corner. And then we'll have the token saved in here, so we can go ahead and purchase it on PancakeSwap, and then it will come into our Trust Wallets. So once we have that done there, we can go out of here and then head over to PancakeSwap. So I'll have a link in the description for PancakeSwap if you guys need that as well. So you can head over to that link and I'll show you guys what to do next. So this will be the link that you guys will see on PancakeSwap. Now I just want to show everyone as well before we get started here on PancakeSwap that you can add this to your home screen, and it makes it a lot easier to access PancakeSwap into the future if you're going to be using it often to buy or sell tokens. So if you guys just click on this little share button at the bottom of the screen, and then scroll down, you'll see an option to add home screen. Now, if you click on that, you'll actually be able to add PancakeSwap to your home screen, so you're able to use it whenever you would like to. So just wanted to show everyone that as well before we went farther here, if that is needed for anyone. Anyhow, all you have to do once we're on here is head to the top left corner, click on the 3 lines, and then you'll see an option for a trade. You want to click on trade, and then click on exchange. Once you guys do that, you'll see this page right here, which is going to be the exchange of PancakeSwap. So first thing we have to do once we're on this page is click on connect. So we just go to the top right corner where you see the connect button and go ahead and click on that. And instead of clicking Trust Wallet here, we actually want to click on Wallet Connect. And then we want to click on Trust Wallet as our preferred wallet. We'll then open up our Trust Wallet as you see right here. We can click on connect and then head back over to our browser. We'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet address up on the top corner of our screens, as well as our balance above BNB. Now, if you guys don't see your BNB balance here, it's just because you have your BNB not in your Smart Chain wallet. You want to make sure you have it in your Smart Chain wallet and not in your BNB wallet, or else it will not show up here. So once you guys have your balance there, you want to click on select a currency, and then we can paste that same address that we got from CoinMarketCap into this section as well. And we can click on import, I understand, and then import. Once we have the exchange tokens in here, we can go ahead and decide how much BNB we want to transfer over into the PeachFolio token. So let's just say, for example, I want to do 0.2. I can go ahead and type that in, and then it will show me how much I'll get in exchange for this token. Now, for slippage tolerance for this token, I put it on 10% just to make sure the transaction goes through. You guys can try 7 as well. I've heard some people are using 7 for this token as well. But the issue is if it doesn't go through, you're going to pay the transaction fee twice. So it's totally up to you if you want to do the lower one or the higher one. To change your slippage tolerance, you just want to go beside where it says exchange and click on the 3 lines. And then here you'll be able to change your slippage tolerance to either 10 or 7%, totally up to you. Anyhow, once you have that done, you can go ahead and click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. Here for you, it should just say swap. And then you'll see a second page showing you a breakdown of your transactions. So it's going to show you your rates and your withdrawal fees and things like that. So if you guys are okay with what you see on that second page, you can go ahead and click on swap, and then it will show you a successful notice saying that your transaction's gone through. Once you guys see that message, we can head back over to our Trust Wallets, cancel out of this, and then our token will appear in our wallets here, usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to purchase the PeachFolio token. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.